Hello and welcome to the channel. If you haven't done so already, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate it. I'm not usually this scruffy, but it is okay. So what you see behind me is supposedly the S2000. I guess Honda is bringing it back as a hybrid, or not a hybrid. I'm sorry, an EV. Who really knows? I've heard so many revival of the S2000, and if you know anything about the S2000, it's a collector's car. It was in a rear-wheel drive. Ooh, high revving, especially the first model. I think it was a what AP1, that model. Oh yeah. But now the prices of the S2000 has steadily is on the incline. So if you have one, hold on to it. Make sure it's in good condition, and it could be worth a lot of money down the road. It's already like I've seen the steady climb of that car just keep going up and up and up. And the fact that maybe we might have another version of it coming out, I can't wait to see if it is true. But who really knows what the facts are? But anyway, let's go ahead and cover the article. All right, so here we go. So the Honda S2000 rumor mill has sprung back to life as the company is gearing up to celebrate its 75th anniversary this fall. Since the Roadster was originally created, marked their 50th anniversary. There's been plenty of speculation that something special is in the works. I believe something special is in the works, but I don't know if it's the S2000. I feel like the S2000 had its time to shine and it did what it needed to do, and then they just, you know, it went away, just like the Prelude and all the other legendary vehicles Honda has made in the past. Civic, still alive though. Civic, Accord, CRVs, and then they added new ones like the truck, etc. The latest comes from Car Magazine and claims Honda will stun the world its first electric sports car later this year. The publication says the model will ride on the new EN architecture and feature a rear-mounted electric motor. So there you go. But see, anytime any company designs something that's looking so sleek like that, it's gonna be pricey. Prepare for your wallet to be pillaged and destroyed. We've seen that with the NSX when they introduced the NSX. That car was just out of reach of the normies like myself. There's also word of a possible Type R variant. Honda's Gotoro Yamamoto, I think I'm saying that right, is quoted as saying Type R stands for racing. It's a pleasure transported in an electric car can deliver this, and a Type R is not obliged to use a combustion engine. Well, that's not much to go on. Honda teased two electric sports cars last year when they announced plans to launch 30 EVs globally by 2030. At the time, the company didn't say much about the other. One is a specialty vehicle, while other is flagship models. The latter is believed to be the next generation Acura Honda NSX, while the former is rumored as 2000 revival, which I mean, if they revive the S2000, that'd be dope. But if they don't and come up with something, you know, attractive that'll, get our attention and get us talking about the brand and get us excited about the brand, I think it's a win-win for both the consumer as well as Honda, because the more people are aware of your product, the more money you can make because everybody wants to purchase your product. But let me go ahead and scour the internet. Not really too hard, you know what I'm saying? I don't do a lot of research over here. So let's go ahead and see if we can find anything more about it. That would be nice if we can know more information about it. I found this and also I think Kirk Kafer's video as well too. But if this was a real thing, man, that'd be dope. It kind of gives me an Accord in the front look. I don't know. Maybe it's me. I'm weird like that, but it's throwing me like it's giving me like an Accord vibe in the front. But anyway, this is just a concept of somebody else's creation because we don't know very much about the said vehicle. But anyway, you guys let me know. Would you be able to purchase one, or would you purchase S2000 if they brought it back and they made it a little bit more affordable? And but it's EV. But if the range is good, like let's just say hypothetically 400 miles on the charge, give me like, I don't know, 80 kilowatt battery. 400 horsepower. I'm sorry, like 400-mile range, or even a 100 kilowatt battery, a big battery with a bunch of torque, and maybe like something crazy like 600 horsepower. I don't know. I'm just talking out the ass right now, but something a little bit more than the Type R. So maybe around 400 to 500, and maybe start price of about 80 grand or something along those lines. I don't know. Maybe 70 grand, 60 grand. Just a little bit higher than the Type R and the Acura and Integra. But you let me know in the comments below if this is something that interests you. Well, it interests me. I hope they bring it back, but not as an EV, just a good all combustion engine S2000. That'd be amazing. But Honda's gonna do whatever Honda's gonna do, and then we're just gonna have to deal with it. Either we're gonna love it or we're gonna fucking hate it. There's no medium. Either people love their fucking cars and or people that fucking hate their cars, and sometimes you have the in betweens, but it's very rare. I'm either loving their shit or I'm not. That's it. I don't have a medium when it comes to Honda. I either like it or I don't. Simple. But anyway, you let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.